Right, so I suppose we just get started then. And there it is. As you can see, I have fully solved the Rubik's Cube on all sides. Now, obviously, that was not under 60 seconds. I think it was more about half an hour, possibly longer than that. So maybe like 40 minutes. So I'm going to give it another go and see if I can make it quicker. But currently I'm still just learning the whatever they're called, algorithms to solve it. So, but I'm just glad I managed to solve that, to be honest, because I messed it up like multiple times and had to restart and started to think that I wasn't going to be able to solve it. So, yeah. Anywho, let's crack on. I just realised that whole, what do you call it, time lapse was not filmed in 0.5, so it's a bit closer. But I solved it again, and this time I was a lot quicker. I think it took me about 15-20 minutes this time, so definitely a big improvement in comparison to the first time. I think I'm going to try once more, and then I'm going to call it a day for week 1. Okay, so I am all done now. I think I've completed it 3 times. Kind of forgotten. That last time took a bit longer than I expected it to, because I messed up and I had to restart. So it took me about 20 minutes. But there's still a significant improvement from the first time, because I think the first time took me about 40, then it took about 15, and then 20. So, like, you know, it's going down. So yeah, I'd say that's pretty successful for week 1. I think week 2, I'm going to watch another video, which is a different one from a different creator, who I know has a slightly different method, and they also claim it to be the easiest method. So I will check that out in week 2 and see if it's any easier, see if I find it quicker, or if not, I'll stick to the original one and just keep practicing with it. But yeah, I'd say it's pretty successful, considering I've never solved a Rubik's Cube before, and now I can solve it within 20 minutes. Obviously not from memory solving it, but you know, I can still solve it. Just have to watch the video.